The Air Jordan 3 5 Lab 3 Black Reflective is one of the most experimental sneakers released by Jordan Brand. Launched in May 2014 as part of the Jordan Lab series, this model shifted focus away from traditional color blocking and placed full attention on materials and construction. The upper is completely wrapped in the Air Jordan 5 signature 3M reflective material, creating a stealthy black look that dramatically changes when exposed to light. Movement brings the shoe to life, revealing depth and texture without using extra colors. Classic Air Jordan 3 tooling keeps the design familiar, with an air-cushioned midsole that preserves the comfort and shape fans expect. An icy blue translucent outsole adds contrast and highlights the futuristic direction of the Lab concept. Within the Jordan Lab lineup, the 5 Lab 3 stands out for its cross-model execution and creative risk-taking. Although a retro release is unlikely, pairs remain available through resale platforms like StockX, making it a standout collectible today.